Okay, so everybody, as I told you about the smoothie, I showed you all the ingredients. Today, we're going to make it. If you'll remember these bags. Over here, this is my smoothie. I have you can get a regular one, but I have this ninja thing. And be right back. Okay, so as I said, I take a whole thing of strawberries. And then we take look at that. Take a whole thing of blueberries. And then I think my wife will be sharing me a smoothie with me tonight. And we're gonna throw 2 bananas in there. So that's my fruit, and that is the ice, as I told you. Okay, so what I do is here's the water. I'll use bottled water at times. And then we go ahead and we just start it. I see that I need to put some water in it, so. I pour some more water in it. Look at that. Oh, that looks good. Doesn't that look good? And YouTube, we have a good old smoothie. So, as I said, never ever give up. We're going to drink some smoothie.